So this problem is a part 3 problem, which means that you want to make sure that you notice that each one of these is 4 credits. So this one shows us Michael throwing a ball in the air from the top of a building. The height of the ball is modeled by this equation. So notice they do not tell you that you must graph without a calculator. So you should be grabbing your Inspire. That is okay for you to do. You know that if it follows this form, you have a starting value of 60. That is your y-intercept. But you can use your calculator, or you can choose to do all of this by hand. I keyed this into my TI Inspire, and then I pulled up a table. So I see the points 0, 60, 1, 108, 2, 124, 3, 108. So I move over here, and then 4 is 60. And I know that ball is going to hit the ground, so I need to keep going, and I need to see my next point. 5 is negative 20. So if 5 is negative 20, then somewhere along here is where I'm going to hit. So I'm just going to estimate that point. So I will graph. I will connect my points. And we'll go here. The ball is going to land. It says T is my elapsed time in seconds. Graph this equation. Okay, so I've done that. I use my TI Inspire. I graph the equation. It's important to note you need at least 3 points to make a parabola, and 5 points is even better, and you want to show those points. You don't just want a random drawing approximated. It now says determine the average rate of change in feet per second from the time that he released the ball to when it reaches its maximum height. So maximum height is right here. So that's the point 2. If we go to 124 is our maximum. And then our original is 0, 60 when he releases the ball. So you can tell that the time that has elapsed has been 2 seconds. So remember, rate of change is slope. It's your change in y over change in x. It's not linear, but that's what's happening. Your change in y over your change in x. So your time is 2 seconds. And I'll just write that, 2 seconds. And it changed from 60 feet to 124 feet. So I would do 124 minus 60. So you're going to get that amount, and that is your height in feet. So there you get your feet per second. So you have your 124 minus 60 gives you 64 feet over 2 seconds, or 32 feet per second. It's important that you don't just give an answer here, that you do need to show what's happening. So make sure that you show some work to give some evidence for this.